Hello friends, are you getting this error on Gcash app? This feature does not support Android version 4.4 and lower, even though you using Android 11, 12, 13 and 14 or 16. Don't worry, you are not alone. Thousands of users are facing this issue and today I will show you how exactly why this happens and how to fix it permanently. I will try to discuss about this. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure subscribe because I bring you the latest fixes for the Android issue, app bugs and tech problems. Today video is all about Gcash error that's appear even on the latest phone Samsung, Realme, Xiaomi, Vivo or every phone. Okay, let's next why this error appears on Android 11, 12, 13, 14th or even 15th or 16th. Now let's talk about why this error shows up. This message originally appears only on old phones running Android 4.4, but on Android 11, 12 or even upper the Gcash app sometimes misreads to device information and thinks your phone is outdated. This happens due to four reasons. Reason 1, outdated WebView. Gcash uses Android system WebView to load its login page. If WebView is outdated or disabled, Gcash detect your phone is unsupported. Second reason is Chrome is disabled. Most people does not know this, but Gcash require Chrome or WebView to be active, otherwise it shows the 4.4 error. And the next reason is reason 3, security check failure. Android 14 or even 15 or upper has a strict security. If Gcash fails safety net or play integrity check, if assumes you are using an old phone or modified devices you are using. And the next and the final four reason is corrupted Gcash installation. So if you are installed from Chrome, I suggest you installed from Play Store or any other store app or real app. Now the fix, how to fix Gcash Android app. Now let's how to fix a step by a step. First of all, be often अपडेट गूगल क्रोम. जी हाँ, सही सुन रहे हो. जस्ट बी अपडेटेड गूगल क्रोम application. Just go on Play Store application and then click here and now search Chrome and updated here. Okay, just update the Google Chrome and then try to open Gcash app. Okay, first step. And the second step is Android system web view. Just go to the Play Store app and search Android system web view and update this app also and enable it from the setting first. Okay, just do it first. And the next step is clear Gcash app data. Yes, clear your Gcash app data. Okay, just try to clear and try to open Gcash app and see what happening. Okay, and the next and the final he is uninstall and reinstall Gcash from Play Store. Yes, make sure you download the latest official version only. Old Gcash version triggered this bug more frequently, so just update your Gcash app from Play Store. And the next and the final process is final step is turn on Play Protect. How to open, how to turn on? Just open the Play Store app. Okay, Play Store app and click here the profile icons and here just click here Play Protect and just turn on. Okay, Gcash needs to verify your device security. So all do these steps. After doing all these steps, 90% users have reported that the error disappearing, Gcash start working normally again. Okay, do this step and try to open Gcash app. Your problem is solved. And now your Gcash should now work perfectly without the version 4.4 error. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button or subscribe button. If you are still facing the problem, drop a comment below with your phone models. I will personally help you to fix it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.